Hello guys, welcome back to our own channel Smart English Learning with Sushma Ruhal. In this video, we will come to know about the grammar topic, that is adjectives, with its rules, its types and examples. So if you would like to watch my rest of the videos, subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and you can select your desired video from the playlist, right? So now come to the topic here. Adjectives. You know what do you mean by adjective? Adjectives are those words which will describe noun or pronoun. Means this will give you the adjective word is that word which will describe either noun or pronoun given in the sentence. Like what is given here, suppose like big, small, good, bad, cruel, kind, bitter, sweet. These are the words which are adjective and tell us something about the quality of noun or quality of pronoun here. So with the help of example, is it will clear to you much more here. Like animal. Okay, what is the quality of animal? That is a faithful. Dog is a faithful animal. So what is the quality of animal here? That dog's quality is here, the animal quality is here, that it is faithful, right? Next is many people visited the Taj. Okay, many people visited the Taj. People means how many people? Many people, right? So this is the quality of noun. Okay, so next, like we are just telling there kinds of adjectives are there. Like you can see there how many kinds of adjectives are given here. Maximum 8 types are given here. One is adjective of a quality, second adjective of a quantity, adjective of a number, interrogative adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, proper adjectives, or emphasizing adjectives. So let's come with the example and with the help of the definition what is given here. You know, quality. As with the name of this, quality is clear to you that what kind of quality is given here. What is the quality of noun? What is the quality of pronoun here? So what kind of noun is here, what kind of pronoun is here? Like a friend. So friend, what is the quality of friend? Friend is the best. So friend's quality is here, that is the best. Next is about the people. So what kind of people are there? People are cruel. So cruel is your quality, best is your quality. And don't think that quality will always be positive. Quality can be negative also, like cruel is your negative quality. Okay, best is your positive quality. So both kind of qualities will be there given. And next is like noun is given here, pronoun is given. So according to this word, what is given before this one, just before this one, that is the quality, that is sorry, adjective there, means this is describing this word here. Next is given like adjectives of quantity. Quantity means something is in the measurement, something is in the measurement. So quantity we can measure here. Okay, like this adjective indicate a quantity of the amount or the amount of noun or pronoun. What is the amount? What is the amount? How much quantities of the noun or pronoun here? This is uncountable, right? So like how much, when you will get the answer of how much is about the noun, how much is about the pronoun, then that will be your adjective of quantity. Quantity means like in measurement. So like some, I have some fruits. Okay, like no, much, little, enough, whole, or great. So these are some examples which are given you, which are showing you the quality of noun. So what is the quality? Like Virat showed much patience. So what is the quality? What is the quality? That he is showing much patience, much. So much is the quantity. How much? Much is the quantity here. Next, we have enough time to finish the work. Enough. So means to say enough. Enough is their quantity. How much time is there? Enough. Okay, how much patience is there? Much patience. So patience quality is there, much. Time quality is here, enough, right? Next will be number. As with the name of the title, this is clear to you. Adjective of a number. Number means something is in the numbering, like 1 2 3 4 5, or first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So you know, cardinal numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5, like counting there. And ordinal numbers are there, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, after which we are using st, or second nd, or third rd, or fifth th. Wherever you are using these kind of additional things, these are known as ordinals. And cardinal numbers are like 1 2 3 4 5, like counting there. Okay, so examples are given like the 7 rooms. So how many rooms? Are 7 rooms. How many rooms? Are 7 rooms. So this is the adjective of number. Like years, how many years? 25 years. If they are giving that he is the fifth person, which person? Fifth person. Okay. Next is which day? Last day. So what is given here? This kind of words will come like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, last. Okay, and 21st, 22nd. Here is 25. 25 is cardinal number. If I say 25th, so this will be your ordinal number, right? So I think you will this will clear to you what is the difference between ordinal and ordinals there, right? The next is indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite means which is not a definite, like few, all, no, several, some, many, certain, or most. These are indefinite. These are indefinite numbers. These are not definite. These are indefinite numbers. Like we saw several animals. How many animals? Several animals. Okay. Next is there most students. How many students? Most students. So most is here your indefinite numeral adjective, and here is we saw several animals, so several is here given indefinite numeral adjective, right? Next is given distributive numeral adjective. Distributive means where you are going to distribute the things there, right? Like to everyone, okay, to every, to each, to either you will give to this one or not to give. Not to give means neither will come, another means anybody else, okay, or other means others than this one. So this kind of words will come. These are distributive numeral adjective. Distributive, like each student will get a different set of questions in the test. Different set of questions. Each means every student. Each means one by one, means personally, means one means when you are saying that one student, one means each student, like first student, second, third, fourth, fifth, each student. Okay, so each will indicate your one by one. Okay, personal, like one, like this will be there. Every will be there. Every will indicate the group there. Every will indicate you from the group. Okay, it will be from the group, but each will be there. Each student means one by one student, right? Next is the neither proposal was accepted by the management. Neither means no one, koi bhi nahi, neither. Next will be the interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are means with the WH family, like in which you will ask a question, with the help of which you will ask the question, like who, whose, which, what. These are some interrogative adjectives, and they are always followed by noun or pronoun. Means these will be followed by noun or pronoun. Like see, pen. Before pen, what is given here? Whose pen is this? So what is pen? Pen is your noun. Which flowers? Flowers are your noun. So what is this one? This which is followed by uh, flowers, and flowers is here noun, and this whose is followed by pen, and pen is here noun. So whose pen is this? Which flowers do you like? Okay, who or which or what or whose. These four words will show you the interrogative adjectives here, and this will be just after, this will come just before noun. Don't forget, interrogative adjectives are those adjectives which will come just before noun. Like pen is a noun, flowers is noun here. Okay, so whenever you are using whose, which, who, okay, what, so these words will come just before noun. So this is the identification of interrogative adjectives. Otherwise, if you are not following noun, then that will not be interrogative adjective. Okay, that will be interrogative, but that will not be interrogative adjectives there, right? Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means here, like the adjectives point out to the person, to which person, thing, or thing they are meant. Means the answer of question, which one, which ones. When you will get the answer of the question which one or which ones, then just think that that is your demonstrative adjective. Like this you will use for nearer things and singular. That you will use for far things and singular. Far thing and singular. Those you will use for far and plural things. These you will use for nearer and plural things. Such things, like such thing means something is there, just such thing, like ऐसे ही, ऐसी चीजों के लिए. Next is certain, means something is a fix here, fixed things के लिए. And such are examples of demonstrative adjective. Just like this school is mine. Which school is yours? which school is yours? This school. Okay, which teacher? That teacher. Means whenever you are getting the answer of which, okay, or which one or which ones, that will be your adjective, demonstrative adjective. Whenever you are getting the answer of which one, like which is your school, which is your teacher, so that is my teacher and this is my school. So these are given like this one, so this will be your demonstrative adjectives there. Okay, next is given here possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives means here these adjective express ownership or possession. Ownership, like they answer the question of whose. Means whenever you are getting the answer of whose, like this is my book. Whose book is this? My book. Whose house is this? Our house. So whenever you are getting the answer of whose, it shows that yeah, this is your possessive adjectives. And you know what is possessive? Possessives are like my, are, your, his, her, its, their. So these are the words which are used there for possessive adjectives, right? Next is given here proper adjective. Proper means here properly something is given here, like deprived from the noun there, the name of geographical places, like countries name will be given, okay, continents will be given, or states etc will be given. Means some geographical places names are given here, like Chinese stories are famous all over the world. So geographical sentence is given here. So what is it? Chinese. Chinese is the specific and it is your proper adjective. Proper. Next is we ordered Italian food at the restaurant. Okay, so what is the geography? Italian. Okay, geography is here properly Italian. So Italian food at the restaurant, they ordered specially Italian food. So what is this? Italian is your proper adjective. So here if something is given geographical places, like some place is famous for some things and you are just using those country name, those continent name, or those state names in the sentence, that will be known as a proper adjective. Like Chinese stories are good. Okay, Italian food is good. So what is the quality of some place? What is the quality of some country? What is the quality of some continent or state? That will be given to you. This will be your proper adjective. Next is given here emphasizing adjective. Emphasis means when you're pressurizing something, when you will speak with some pressure. What are the pressure? Like on, very, complete, utter, total, absolute, pure, perfect, genius, outright. So these are the words with the help of which you will pressurize something there. And how will you pressurize? Just come to the I made these candles with my own hands. मैंने अपने खुद के हाथों से, मैंने अपने हाथों से बनाई. कहते हैं ना कि मैंने डिश अपने हाथों से प्रिपेयर किया. I cooked this dish with my own hands. भी मैंने ये डिश अपने हाथों से बनाई है. So what is this own hands? Own is आप प्रेशराइज कर, देखो हाथों से तो हर कोई बनाता है. Everybody is making the dish with hands, but on hands भी मैंने अपने हाथों से खुद बनाई है. मीन्स मैंने खुद बनाई है तो खुद को प्रेशराइज कर रहे हो यहाँ पे. That is your on. On is your emphasis adjective. Like this is the very place we saw him yesterday. This is the very place means ये वो सारे place है जिन पे हमने कल उनको उसे ढूंढा था, यहाँ पे देखा था यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So like this very place, ये वो place है. Place तो है. This is the place we saw him yesterday. ये है वो जगह है जहाँ हमने इसको कल देखा था. लेकिन very यहाँ पे आ गया. Very place. So very means here this is indication, this is emphasizing कि ये वो, this is the particular place there. These are the particular place कि हमने यहाँ पे तो उसको कल देखा था. Now the degree of adjective, like I have told you what are the types of adjectives. Now how will you write degrees of adjectives here? When we compare two or more nouns, you have to use a comparative degree. Superlative degree, you have to write whenever something is superlative. Okay, so what is the identification? Like Lata is a good singer. So what is good? Good is your positive degree, means first positive degree. Second will be comparative, where you will use most of the time er or comparison will be given to you. Next est is given most of the time. Otherwise third is the superlative degree. So like good, better, best. Good is first, better is the second, and best is the third. So positive, comparative, and superlative degree, like these three degrees are there. Let's see. Some are given to you, like you have to add er, est everywhere. Like clever, cleverer, dark, darker, Okay, and here is clever, clever, cleverest. So what is it? Clever is already here, so ER EST is added here. Next is a dark, darker, ER EST is added here. Poor, poorer, poorest. So what is given here? ER and EST is added there. Kind, kinder, kindest means ER EST is added here, and this is the simplest way of your degrees. But now come to know, like if something is given here and you have to just delete some, like able, able E is already given, so you have to add only R and ST. Okay, because E is already given. Like large, large E is already given, so R and ST you have to add here. No need to use the double E or double E there on this side, right? Next is like safe. In the safe also E is already given, so R and ST you have to add here. Fine, E is already given, so R and AST you have to add. Only ST you have to add here. Now if Y is given, so just delete Y. In place of Y you will add I and then ER. So in place of I, in place of Y, IER, IEST. In place of Y, IER, IEST. Same will happen here also, like pretty. Y, delete Y, and in place of Y, IER and IEST you have to add here. Like this, their heavy, heavier, heaviest, like Y, in place of Y, IER and IEST will come there, right? Next is just like big, bigger. When you have to double, when you have to double your last alphabet, so what is given here? When the adjective end with the vowel, when it will end with the vowel plus consonant, and the final last consonant is doubled. So double, what will come? Like big, bigger, thin, thinner. So double will come in big, double G will bigger, in double G will come thin, double N will be the biggest, double G, double N. Same will red, red, reddest, and fat, fatter, fattest. Now one more type of degrees are there, like beautiful. You have to add more and most before this, like more beautiful, most beautiful. Active, more active, most active. Okay, handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Okay, like this many more are there, before which you have to add more and most. More for superlative comparative degree and most for superlative degree, right? Now some are there which are very different, and other than this, like good, good, better, best, well, better, best. So if they're asking he is well, he is better than him, so second comparative will be better. So good, better, best, well, better, best. Ill, worst, worst, and bad also worst, worst. Next is old, older, oldest, otherwise elder, eldest. Depend on the sentence what the sense is coming there. Next is little, less, least, late, later, latest. Okay, and next is much more, most, or many more, most. So these were your degrees also, how to write, what are the adjectives and what are the types. I guess everybody would like this one. Okay, if you want to watch the rest of the videos, you will just subscribe the channel, go to the playlist, and you can check your desired video. Thank you so much for watching the channel.